today we are helping architects worldwide to generate floor plans with AI. There's been a huge interest for our solution, and today we have almost 100,000 people waiting to access our solution. And 2 years ago, we were here at NXT BLD presenting our patented graph technology that was then under development. And today, we're back to show you how this technology enables our customers to generate compliant floor plans. Before moving into the live demonstration, I would like to talk a little bit about the workflow in Finch. So again, we focus on the inside of the building, and you as a user can upload your building mass. It could be a box, but it could be also a very complex shape. So this design can come from any of these solutions that you see here on the screen, so Rhino, Revit, Grasshopper, and now lately also Autodesk Forma. In Finch, you then set the right story heights, you can generate an optimal unit mix, and go one step deeper in generating floor plans. Once you're ready with your design, you can bring that back to either Rhino, Revit, or Grasshopper, but also when you bring it out to Revit, this comes out as a native Revit file, structured as a BIM model with model groups and families.